Pocket Peace is a faith-based digital devotional created to encourage healing, peace, growth, and becoming. Inspired by real-life experiences and the renewing power of God, this devotional was designed for anyone navigating anxiety, grief, transition, healing, self-worth, or emotional growth. Whether you are grieving a person, a past version of yourself, relationships, missed opportunities, or entering a new season of life, this devotional was created to remind you that God still brings peace even in the midst of change. Pocket Peace.